Hi health warriors. Today we are tackling a very important issue that affects millions of people in the world. That's snoring. If you or someone around you snore, don't worry. We have solution for it. In this video, we learn some tips to stop snoring. That's very important. Don't bother any other people. Just watch this video. Please be with us.
First, let's briefly understand what snoring is. Snoring occurs when airflow through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. This can happen for various reasons, including the position you sleep in, nasal congestion, or even lifestyle factors. Now, let's dive into some solutions. One of the simplest ways to reduce snoring is to change your sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, leading to obstruction. Try sleeping on your side instead. You can use a body pillow to help maintain this position. Next up, let's talk about weight. If you are overweight, excess fat around your neck can put pressure on your airway, increasing the likelihood of snoring. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce snoring. Nasal congestion can also lead to snoring. If you often wake up with a stuffy nose, consider trying 1. Nasal strips. These can help open your nostrils. 2. Saline sprays. They can keep your nasal passages moist. 3. Humidity. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can reduce congestion. Alcohol and sedatives can relax the muscles in your throat, making snoring worse. Try to limit alcohol consumption, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. If you take sedatives, consult with your doctor about alternatives. Establishing a regular sleep routine can also help. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can improve your overall sleep quality, which may reduce snoring. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. There are several anti-snoring devices available, such as mouth guards or chin straps, that can help keep your airway open during sleep. If snoring persists, consult with a healthcare professional to explore these options. Now, while occasional snoring is usually harmless, chronic snoring can be a sign of sleep apnea, a serious condition. If you experience symptoms like gasping for air during sleep, excessive daytime fatigue, or loud snoring, it's essential to seek medical advice. To sum it up, there are many strategies to help reduce or stop snoring, from changing sleep positions to maintaining a healthy weight and clearing nasal passages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching and sleep tight.